How to add or join friends in hide online. So this video does end up helping you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you do need any help. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go all the way to the left. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on this option right here, which is the second option. It should say custom game. So just click on that. Then once you click on custom game, you're gonna have to click on either you could join one or you're gonna have to click on create custom game. Now from here, put in your name. So for example, I'll put Instructify. For the password, you can put whatever you want. I'm gonna just put 2007. Once you do that, just click on create option right here. And once you click on create, it should take a while. Now you could also click on the three dots on top. You could also switch it up. You could make them the prop, make them the hunter. You could also leave the game. You could also click on settings and customize everything you want. But now if you want to join your friends, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on the three dots, click on leave this game. Now from here, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on the custom game option again. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on refresh. You could either do that and their game should come up. If not, you could search their name up right here, enter filter text, and you could search their name up and their game should come up and you could just join it. If it's public, if it's not public, just put in the password like I showed you before. And you could join their game and play with friends. So if this video did end up helping you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you do need any help. Thank you very much for watching.